Did you know that the bird on your shoulder might be a tiny, feathered drama queen? That's right. We're talking about cockatiels. These Aussie natives are more than just pretty faces. See that crest on their head? It's a mood ring. Straight up means they're excited or scared. Relaxed means they're chilled out. And flattened means they're probably plotting world domination. Or just a bit angry. And get this, they have a superpower, producing powder down. It's a special dust they use to keep their feathers looking fabulous and waterproof. So if you're allergic to dust, you might be allergic to their glamour. They are also incredible mimics, whistling anything from the Addams Family theme to your morning alarm. So next time you see a cockatiel, remember you're looking at a moody, dusty, whistling superstar. Thanks for watching. If you love these crazy cockatiel facts, hit that subscribe button for more.